ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ద న్యాచురల్ రిలయన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్ 9th క్లాస్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పార్ట్ 1 బిట్స్. లిథో మీన్స్ stone or rock, water, plains, none of the above. Correct answer, stone or rock. The largest delta in the world is Sundarbans, Godavari, Krishna delta, none of the above. Correct answer, Sundarbans. Slow moving of mass ice is called glaciers, flocking, weathering, none of the above. Correct answer, glaciers. Highest waterfall in the world is the Angel Fall, Niagara, the Jog waterfall, Ettipotala waterfall. Correct answer, the Angel waterfall. U-shaped valleys are formed by rivers, glaciers, winds, waves. Correct answer, glaciers. V-shaped valleys are formed by glaciers, rivers, waves, winds. Correct answer, rivers. The solid crust or the hard top part of the earth is called biosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere. Correct answer, lithosphere. The realm of dash is called the biosphere. Air, life, rocks, water. Correct answer, life. Oceans and continents are second order landforms, third order landforms, first order landforms, fourth order landforms. Correct answer, first order landforms. Mountains, plains and plateaus are called first order landforms, second order landforms, fourth order landforms, third order landforms. Correct answer, second order landforms. Gorges are formed by the work of glaciers, winds, rivers, waves. Correct answer, glaciers. The process which the rocks are weakened and broken are called weathering, erosion, transportation, deposition. Correct answer, weathering. The active weathering away of Earth's surface by moving agent called deposition, weathering, erosion, none of the above. Erosion. The word delta is originated from this language: Latin, Greek, English, Rome. Correct answer, Greek. The shape of landforms by wind and water are called dash order landforms. First order landforms, second order landforms, third order landforms, fourth order landforms. Correct answer, third order landforms. The lava cools and form hard rocks called dash rocks. Metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, silica. Correct answer, igneous. Which mountains were formed by the process of the Indian plate pushing into the Eurasian plate? Himalayas, Kilimanjaro, Vindhyas, Aravali. Correct answer, Himalayas. The Mount Vesuvius is in which country? Japan, Italy, Philippines, Tanzania. Correct answer, Italy. Flowers are dash in color: black, red, yellow, pink. Correct answer, yellow. The molten material inside the earth is known as lava, magma, volcano, plates. Correct answer, magma. The meander loop cuts off from the river and form Oxbow Lake, V-shaped valley, U-shaped valley, delta. Correct answer, Oxbow Lake. The second highest waterfall is the Jog Fall, the Tugela Fall, the Angel Waterfall, the Niagara. Correct answer, the Tugela Waterfall. Dash are suitable for construction of dams: canyons, waterfalls, gorges, plung pool. Correct answer, gorges.